The installation and commissioning of heat recovery system. The introduction of heat recovery system. The Hisense heat recovery system can achieve heating and cooling modes simultaneously under one system to save the energy and to meet the different needs of different clients at the same time. Heat recovery system is made up of outdoor unit, indoor unit, switch box equipment for the transfer of heating and cooling, branch pipe, and refrigerant pipe. There are 3 pipes for the outdoor unit, including the high pressure pipe, low pressure pipe, and liquid pipe. One switch box can be connected with one or many indoor units. The indoor units after the switch box share the same operation mode. The indoor can be connected directly to liquid pipe and low pressure pipe without connection with switch box. The piping standards for heat recovery system. The piping standards for switch box. The total piping length between indoor unit and switch box for HCH 160D, A plus B plus C, is less than 30 meters. For HCH 280D, A plus B plus C, is less than 10 meters. The height difference between indoor units after the same switch box, HA less than or equal 4 meters. The height difference between different switch box, HB, less than or equal to 15 meters. Total piping length. When the quantity of all indoor units is equal or less than recommended quantity, total liquid pipe is less than or equal to 1,000 meters. When the quantity is larger than the recommended quantity, total liquid pipe is less than or equal to 300 meters. The length between the outdoor unit and the farthest indoor is not more than 165 meters. When the quantity is less or equal to the recommended, the distance from the first branch to the farthest indoor unit is less than or equal to 90 meters. When the quantity is larger than the recommended, the distance from the first branch to the farthest indoor unit is less than or equal to 40 meters. When the quantity of total indoor units is less or equal to the recommended indoor unit quantity, the distance between each branch to the indoor unit connected is less than or equal to 40 meters. When the quantity is larger than the recommended, the distance is less than or equal to 30 meters. The distance between the switch box to indoor unit connected is HCH 160D, less than or equal to 30 meters. HCH 280D is less than or equal to 10 meters. The difference between manifold pipe and outdoor unit is less than or equal to 10 meters. When the outdoor unit is located higher than the indoor units, the height difference between outdoor unit and indoor unit is less than or equal to 50 meters. When the outdoor unit is located lower than the indoor unit, the height difference between outdoor unit and indoor unit is less than or equal to 40 meters. The height difference between the indoor units is less than or equal to 15 meters. The height difference between the indoor units after the same switch box is less than or equal to 4 meters. The height difference between the outdoor units is less than or equal to 0.1 meters. The installation standard of the switch box. The standard for connectable indoor units quantity and capacity for switch box. If it exceeds the standardized total volume, it will lead to the decrease of performance and noise. Thus ensure that the connected indoor unit's total capacity is among the permitted range for Switchbox. It's better that indoor units in the same room are connected after one Switchbox so that the indoor units in this room are under the same operation mode and avoiding heating and cooling simultaneously. The Switchbox is hung by two pieces of Phi-10 harness cord. It should be installed in the corridor where the piping and electric wire can be conveniently installed. The electric box side should be presumed a service hole of 450 by 450. Pipe connection of outdoor unit. Piping connection from front or back side. Piping connection from bottom side. Electric wiring. The electric wiring of Switchbox. The communication line of outdoor units 1 and 2 on TB2 should be connected onto the terminal 1 and 2 on TB2 of Switchbox. The communication line 1 and 2 of indoor units should be connected to the terminal 3 and 4 of TB3 on the Switchbox. The power source of Switchbox is single phase. The power source line is connected onto the terminal L1 and N on the TB1 and also connected to the reliable grounding line. To the Switchbox under same refrigerate system, it can be supplied with same power source. The communication line for cooling only indoor units should be connected to the terminal 1 and 2 on